Samuel.
Yes, Daddy.
I want to go and sleep. So if anybody asks of me, tell the person that I am not around.
Yes, Daddy.
I am not around.
Yes. Good afternoon, Ma.
Samuel, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's of your daddy?
My daddy is not at home.
He's not around.
Yes.
Where did he go to?
He didn't tell me and I don't know.
You don't know.
Yes.
Do you know me?
Yes.
Okay. When he comes, tell him I asked after him.
Yes.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Is this for me or my dad?
No, not for your dad, it's for you.
Really, thank you. Auntie, please come.
Yes, Samuel, what is it?
My daddy is at home.
Your daddy is around?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Interesting. Papa Samuel. Papa Samuel, so you are at home?
No, it's not like that. It's not like that, madam. Yes.
And you told your son to lie, that you were not around.
No. Why will I lie to you? Why will I lie to you? See, what you people don't know is that small boy has short-term memory. He has a very, very short-term memory. He forgets things easily. I even told him, if Mama Emeka come and knock the door and wake me up, I have to see Mama Emeka to talk.
Papa Samuel, just sleep down. Where is my money? I am here to collect my money.
Mama Emeka, things are hard. Things are hard. Things are very hard. Things are very hard.
Papa Samuel.
Mama Emeka.
Go inside and bring my money.
See, if you carry me up like this, shake me like this, 1 naira, you will not see.
Leave story, Papa Samuel. Go inside and go and bring my money. Leave the story. Go and bring my money.
No.
Papa Samuel, do you realize I have children at home?
See if I get paid.
And I borrowed you this money. With good ass, please go inside and bring my money.
See if I get one small picking where I manage for you, Mama Emeka, please.
Papa Samuel, go inside and bring my money. Now. I will not leave you outside. Collect my money. Go and bring my money.
Madam, you know what? I promise you. Tomorrow morning, first thing tomorrow morning, as I wake up, bam! Now your shop I come, I will give you the money.
Please go inside and bring my money. Tomorrow is too far, very far.
I don't tell you. Tomorrow morning I will come give you. Waiting time talk now. Waiting time talk now. Wait tomorrow morning go quick come now. You no go today. Mama make I beg. Tomorrow morning I will come to your shop and come and give you the money.
Papa Samuel, leave that story. I need the money right now. Go inside, bring my money. I want to collect the money now.
I don't have anything. Please.
Papa Samuel.
Ma?
Papa Samuel.
Ma?
I am coming back this evening. And by the time I will be back, I want my money ready. I want my money ready this evening. Or else, Papa Samuel, you will see yourself. Liar.
This evening and tomorrow morning, no far now. Wait. Samuel! I think I told you that if anybody asks for me, you should tell the person that I am not around. So why did you tell Mama Emeka that I was at home?
But Dad, you are the one that said that.
How many times have I told you that you should stop lying? It is a very, very bad thing for a small boy like you to be lying. Jesus does not like boys that lie. If you lie, you go to hellfire. So you even know that. If you lie, you go to hellfire. And the next time you lie, I am going to beat you. Do you understand? It is a very, very bad thing to do what? To lie. Very bad to lie. So don't lie again. Do you understand? Better.
So I did not want you to beat me and I did not want to go to hellfire.
Nonsense!